taking a look across the region, we do have some shower activity and rain that's been working along the coast, including in Gold Beach. Winds awfully gusty in the Medford area, but not much of a wind in Grants Pass. The basin, we've been seeing some gusty winds as well tonight. Take a look at the satellite and radar imagery. A few light showers inland, but most of the action has been closer to the coast as expected. We have some showers in the Mount Shasta area, but rain is going to ramp up through the rest of tonight and then into tomorrow as this area of low pressure advances into the region. As it strengthens overnight, I do expect some even stronger winds for the Rogue and Shasta Valley. Also going to see some gustier winds into tomorrow morning along the coast, and winds will crank up on the east side as well. Fairly mild tonight, especially in the Rogue Valley with these gustier winds. Only down to 54 degrees in Medford, down to 46 tonight in Klamath Falls, and 50 in Wairika. Here's a look at those wind advisories for the Rogue Valley. The east side, this advisory will get going at 1 a.m. tonight, and then until 10 a.m. tomorrow, we have a high wind warning in the Shasta Valley. Gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible there. Could get some gusts as high as 50 miles per hour in the Rogue Valley. Here's a look at 6 a.m. Notice the stronger winds potentially in the Shasta Valley. It'll be windy as well in the Rogue Valley through the morning. We get some strong winds on the east side, 50 to 55 mile per hour gusts possible, and then winds kind of back off a bit as we head into Friday. Here's a look at your Thursday forecast. 67 degrees in Medford, up to 56 in Klamath Falls, 61 in Wairika. We're also going to see areas of rain working through southern Oregon and northern California, but definitely the bullseye when it comes to rain is going to be in the Mount Shasta area. Look how it picks up overnight and stays pretty steady through a good chunk of the day. Meanwhile, just kind of showers throughout most of southern Oregon as we go throughout to the day tomorrow. And then things kind of wind down for the region as we head into Friday. Maybe a slight chance of a lingering shower on Friday, but should be a much drier day for the region. Rainfall amounts are going to be fairly light in the Rogue Valley, well less than 1/4 of an inch. Also on the lighter side for the east side, we'll see a bit higher totals into Curry County, maybe up over 1/2 inch, but there's that bullseye in southern Siskiyou County around the Mount Shasta area. Could be looking at upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall when all is said and done. Now, snow levels are going to remain high. This is mainly going to be a rain event, even up at Crater Lake. And then as we head towards the end of the weekend into early next week, there's another storm system we're going to be watching, and this one could have some lower snow levels and maybe some travel impacts through some of our higher elevations. We'll keep you posted on that system in the days ahead. But for the coast tomorrow, wet and windy on your Thursday, mostly sunny on Saturday before the next system arrives later Sunday. Northern California, heavier rain expected in the Mount Shasta area into tomorrow. And then in the Shasta Valley, we'll see some strong winds through the night into tomorrow morning. Gusts up over 60 miles per hour still will be possible. The basin, windy tomorrow, showers likely, rainfall amounts not too terribly significant though. Up into the mountains, mainly a rain event. Snow levels are going to stay pretty high with the system, and then we'll be watching Sunday into Monday with rain and snow, some lowering snow levels Sunday night into Monday, and then another system to watch next Wednesday. That one could have some even lower snow levels with it. We'll keep you posted. It stays pretty active for us as we head through the middle of the month. And then in the Rogue Valley in the meantime tomorrow, mild and windy, but showers will be likely on and off throughout the day, and then a bit of a break in the action for much of Friday and Saturday.